6. This is Teacher Dayan, and I am now welcoming you to our math class. Let me first remind you of our class rules. Class, don't forget that you always have to be on time, on task, and ready to learn. You have to be kind and responsible. So if you don't want to say it face to face, don't say it online. Accomplish your tasks honestly. Never ever think of using a calculator, searching for answers online, or even copying the answers from other books, because those are forms of cheating. Reach out to teacher for clarifications. If you have any questions or you just simply have something to clarify, you may ask Teacher Dai by sending a message or by just using the comment section below. And of course, let us always have fun while learning. These are the things that you have to prepare for our lesson for today. Get your math book, paper, and pen. Now that your books are already on hand, you may turn it to page 111. Is everything now ready? That's great. Let us now have a simple review of what we have discussed last meeting. Can you now recall what was it all about? Good recall. Our topic last meeting was about rounding decimal through 10,000s. So last time we talked about the different rules in rounding of decimals. So we only have two moves. Either we will round it up or we will round it down. When we say round up, what do we do? Okay, we add 1. How about round down? We retain or we just simply copy the number. We will not add 1 or we will not subtract 1. We will retain the number. So when do we round up? Very good. If the number is 5 and above. And we also round up if the number followed by 5 is an odd number. How about round down? When do we round down decimal numbers? Precisely, if the number is less than 5 or the number followed by 5 is an even number. Don't forget that we round up if the number followed by 5 is an odd number. If the number followed by 5 is an even number, we round down. Okay? Do you have any questions about this topic? Any clarifications? If that's the case, I think you are now ready for our next topic. Have you tried adding decimals? What do you think it is? Is it easy or hard? Let us find it out. Our topic for today will be about addition of decimals. We add decimals the same way we add whole numbers. The only difference is that in decimals, we have decimal points. Here are the steps to guide us in adding decimals accurately. For the first one, kindly read. Thank you. So don't forget, decimal points line up. For example, we have to add 1 and 452 thousandths to 1 and 3 tenths. We will write them down and don't forget that decimals should be lined up. If they are not aligned properly, there is a great possibility that we will get a wrong answer. So be careful. For step 2, kindly read. Thank you. Put in zeros. Well, this one is up to you. If you think that not putting in zeros is easier for you, you may do it. But I think putting in zeros in the equation will be much better because it makes the numbers have the same length. If you will not put in zeros, you will just simply bring down the numbers. It's just that putting in zeros will give us a better view for our equation. And for step 3, we have thank you. We will add in column addition. So we will add them just like how we add whole numbers. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Correct. And don't forget the decimal point. They should be aligned. And 1 plus 1, we have 2. So the final answer is 2 and 752 thousandths. Did you get it? Okay, let us simplify the steps. Write down, put in zeros, add. Again, one more. Write down, put in zeros, add. Another example, add 3 and 25 hundredths, 75 thousandths, and 5. Here, in our example, we have a whole number. So as you can see, as we write down the numbers, the whole number part was written in line with the other whole numbers. And we will just simply add decimal point after the whole number. That is automatic, okay? After every whole numbers, there is a decimal point. The next one is to put in zeros. This one gives us a better view since all numbers will have the same length. And the last step is to add all the numbers just like how we add whole numbers. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. And the decimal point, 3 plus 5, 8. So the final answer is 8 and 325 thousandths. Another example, 658 10,000ths plus 2 and 36 hundredths plus 34 and 5 thousandths plus 124 and 36 hundredths plus 8 and 9 tenths and 530 and 6,830 10 thousandths. First thing to do is to write them down. Don't forget, you have to be careful in writing them. You have to place each number according to their place value. Separate the whole number part and the decimal numbers by the decimal points. Next is to put in zeros. So as you can see, our numbers now have the same length. Well, don't worry if you do not prefer to put in zeros. You may just bring down the numbers because in that case, you will just get the same answer. To make sure that our answer will be properly separated by a decimal point, we may put it first aligned with the decimal points of our addings. So as we always start adding numbers in column from right to left. So let us just bring down 8 since the rest of the numbers are zeros. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13. So carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19 and plus 8, 27. Very good. Carry 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 23. Amazing. Carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20. Carry 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. Amazing. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, and plus 5, 7. Are we done? Yes, we are. So the final answer is, kindly read. Thank you. 703,738 10,000s. Did you get it? Is everything clear? Okay. So now it is your time to add decimal numbers. Let us have some practice. Get your papers and pen. I'll be giving you 1 minute for each item. So there are only 3 sets of addends for you to get the sum. Ready? Okay. First one, add 6 and 84 hundredths to 21 and 564 thousandths. Your timer starts now. Don't forget the 3 steps. Write down, put in zeros, add. Thirty seconds. Ten. 3. Time's up. So what is your answer? Let us now check if you got it right. So since addends were written down already, the next step is to put in the zeros. To assure that we will be able to separate the whole number part and the decimal part, let us first put the decimal point. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8. And 0 plus 2. Very good. Did you get it right? Amazing. The final answer is 28 and 404 thousandths. Next one. Add 8 and 46 hundredths to 33 and 99 hundredths to 1 and 264 thousandths. Your timer starts now. Don't forget that you have to be careful in writing down numbers. Each number should be placed according to their place of value. Thirty seconds. Here we have a whole number. So that whole number is written according to its place of value. Since it is a whole number, there is a decimal point after it. That's automatic, don't forget. 5 seconds. Time's up. What is your answer? Let us know, check it out. So next thing to do is to put in zeros. Of course, we have to first put our decimal point for us to be able to assure that we have separated the whole number part by the decimal part. So let us break down 4 since the rest of the numbers are zeros. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 6, 21. Very good. Carry 2. 2 plus 4. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 5, 20. Amazing. Carry 2. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Exactly. The answer is 65 and 14 thousandths. Did you get it right? Okay. For our last item, add 1 to 459 thousandths. This one is very simple. Your timer starts now. Thirty seconds. $15. 5. Time's up. So here, I just want to show you what will happen if we will not put in zeros. Since there are no zero here, we will just simply bring numbers down. Don't forget the decimal point. Bring down 9, 5, 4, and 1. So the final answer is 1 and 459 thousandths. Is your answer correct? Wonderful. Now it's time to generalize our topic for today. Today we talked about addition of decimals. How do we add decimals? Okay, we add them just like how we add whole numbers. Step 1, write down. Step 2, put in zeros. Very good. And for our last step, add the numbers. Again, write down, put in zeros, and add. Don't forget that you always have to align the numbers accurately. Assure that the whole numbers are properly separated by the decimal points from the decimal numbers. For your daily work number 2, find the sum of the given decimal numbers accurately. This one is the activity 1, letter A, on page 114 of your math book. Remember that if you are curious about anything, you may send a message to Teacher Ryan. That's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed learning today. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye!